So this is survey approach. This is frequently used in a quantitative research. So this survey approach involves the collection of data from a predefined group of respondents to gain insights into their attitudes, their behaviors, their opinions, or their characteristics. This is conducted by giving questionnaires or online Google Forms or etc. Other ways, other means of getting the data. So the data collected from the survey, itatabulate yan ng nagre-research, lagyan ng mga coding, and then it is statistically analyzed to draw meaningful research conclusion. So this is proven to be one of the most effective and trustworthy research method. So make sure lang if you are having this, most commonly, ito yung ginagamit sa mga market research, no? So, survey approach lang. Knowing lang their, ano ba yung mga preferences, ano ba yung gusto ng mga tao. Right? So, make sure lang that your questions inside your questionnaires is easy to understand. No, you are using simple words. Um, wag yung mga complex na mga salita, na mga sentences. So, in this survey approach, kasi hindi mo naman maisa-isang ma-explain sa mga respondents mo kasi nga vast information, vast respondents, marami. So it should be that your questionnaire is simple, concise, brief, di masyadong mataas yung sentences mo, madaling maintindihan para effective yung mga sagot nila. Right? So the good survey questionnaires can give the researcher an access to a vast information for possible generalization. Okay, so we have some example here. What are the main factors influencing customer satisfaction with online shopping? So, sinosurvey lang, inaalam lang natin ano ba yung mga factors na nakaka-influence ng customer satisfaction sa online shopping. So, ganun lang kasimple, no? Survey approach. Okay? So, this is use. So, kailan ba natin gamitin ang survey approach? So, this is used when the research question involves the attitude, the beliefs, or the opinions of our respondents or the population. So, this is also used when the research question involves the behaviors or the experiences of those people. And when you are conducting a large, a vast, no, this is when a large sample size is needed. Okay? Halimbawa, uh, pinag-aaralan mo yung mga attitude, behaviors, buying behaviors of the people, no? You can use this survey approach. Okay? And this is also used when the research question is time sensitive, then when the research question involves a geographically dispersed population. Kasi ito, makakandak mo ito using online. No? Pwede mo lang isend sa email or Google Forms or Messenger. You can get the data na. Okay, so this is very convenient to use. Okay, so this is all about survey approach. Okay, so next video will be on ex post facto and the post test only design. Okay, thank you so much for listening.